What's up, guys? Here we are back again for another exciting day of working on the swap car. And today we're going to be working on installing the exhaust when we get around to it. The intake manifold's got to go in today. I'm going to mount the intercooler today, put the blow-off valve on, the axles, and everything else is already pretty much ready to go. Got to do some wiring here and there, some loose ends to trim up and fix, and hopefully I'm going to try and get it started today. I know I said that before, but today I'm actually hoping to get it started. I gotta find a factory upper heat shield to put on there and some other stuff, but yeah, we're gonna see how well this exhaust fits today. Check it out and see how good it goes. I put the back section on already. It's just hanging right now. I gotta put the rest of it on, and got the center console ready to go in, the armrest, the shift boot, all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna try and get the axles in too. Like I said, I'm gonna try and get it mostly like 90% of the way done today. Hopefully even give it a start. Alright guys, we got a couple other things done. Got the lower mount on, and I got the blow-off valve on. I gotta clean it up a little bit still, wipe it down with some brake clean. It's the RFL blow-off valve. Would have been my first choice, but that's what I had laying around. So has a screw-in IAT sensor and all that good stuff. And next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test fit the exhaust and see how it works, see how it fits. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and throw the axles in. Got the half shaft in, and brand new rear O2 sensor. I'm gonna give it a shot, see how it goes. I'll check back to you in a minute. Alright guys, now we're going to try and put the mid pipe on. Here we go. See how it fits. Move on to the back. All right, guys, you got the bend in. The first bend, it was kind of hard to get in. Typical eBay fashion. You get the clamps. And switch the time lapse and just tell you how it fits when it's done. Guys, try and torque it down. It doesn't fit too good right now, but I'll see if I adjust it by tightening it, make it fit better. It's pulling together now. Still up against the bumper. A little bit lower there. Let's see. All right, now let's try to tighten these clamps up. Sorry about that. Try to hold you guys and do this at the same time. Snug it down. Alright, so I'll give you guys a quick review. I mean, it doesn't fit horrible. Still some room up here. Doesn't really hit the bumper that much at all, actually. It fits pretty good. I mean, for an eBay brand, got clearance, That hanger's good. You got a lot of clearance, it's not really rubbing or anything. The only place where it gets tight, a little bit like sketchy, is up here. There's not too much room up there. But other than that, I mean, it clears it, but not by much. So, I'll put the O2 sensor in. There's plenty of room for the O2 sensor. It's not really hidden at all, actually. It's close, but you gotta play. See if this will reach. Yep. Plenty of room. Yeah, that's good. Doesn't hit the heat shield. That's good. I'll tighten that down with a 7/8. But overall, it fits really good. $200 eBay exhaust. Doesn't fit badly at all. I may spin the clamp up this way to get more clearance out of it. I'm not sure. But it fits pretty damn good. So, not too bad. Can't wait to hear what it sounds like. Next, what I'm going to move on to is installing the axles, you know, into the tranny, onto the half shaft, all that fun stuff. So, here we go. Alright guys, there it is. It wasn't too bad. Actually went pretty quick. Got it all seated down properly. Now we're moving on to the next side. Do the exact same way. Alright guys, we're making a ton of progress today. Getting exhausted, honestly. It's freaking hot out here. Beautiful day, but it's hot. Anyhow, I got the blow-off valve on. Hard pipe. Had to do a little bit of custom wiring here. Somebody hacked the harness previously, but I'm going to take care of all that and solder it and get it nice. I got the shift linkage on. All the batteries, you know, grounds. Everything's good to go. Got the AC all set up and hooked in. I'm missing one piece back there, the coupler that goes in between the two pieces. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but I'm missing a piece that goes in between these two. I gotta source one. Like I said, I gotta get a heat shield and the reflective heat tape that goes up here, top of the cowl. And yeah, we're getting there. I was expecting some more parts to come today, but they didn't show up. Got the intercooler mounted up. I'm gonna test fit the headlights in a second to see how they look. Other than that, I mean, the car's coming along. What I'm working on right now is I swapped out the shifter linkage from regular neon shifter linkage to SRT shifter linkage. That's all in. I gotta put the center console back in, the shift knobs on the seat. All I'm missing now is the steering wheel. And like I said, what I'm working on now is I'm trying to put this DC Sports rear strut tower bar in the trunk. You gotta do a little bit of customizing and trimming, and I try to make it look nice. I don't want it all hacked up. I cut a slit through here just to cover it up. I'm gonna do the same thing over there. So I'm gonna keep working on this. I'm gonna check that back in with you guys when I'm done. All right, guys, I'm gonna try and do this with you guys watching. Take this down. So, here. Uh-oh. Sorry about that. It says SRT on the strut up there. Here we go. Alright, got that on. Those back on. This is easy install. Not too hard at all. That back on. Tighten them down. Done. Button that back up, go on to this side here. No, apparently I should let these loose. Oh boy. Up. Get these on here. Right. I'm gonna tighten those down more with a regular wrench, but for now, there you have it. Strut bar is installed. Gonna source one for the front, we'll be good to go. All right, guys, the last thing we're gonna do today is test fit the headlights. They're eBay headlights, so they should be all right, should be fine. But we're gonna test fit those now, put them on the car, put the bumper on, see how it all looks. And like I said, we're getting there, as you can see, we're getting there. You know, every time I do a video, I'm like, oh, we're gonna start the car today, but we never start the car. But you know, I'm still missing a couple, pieces. I mean, I'm missing an intake, and I'm missing small other things. But other than that, I'm gonna do a little change and put the tranny fluid in. But like I said, we're getting there, guys. Hopefully by next video, it'll be ready to go. So, but right now I'm gonna do a little time lapse and test fit the headlights. Here we go. Oh yeah, looking good, guys. I left the protective film on just until I'm ready to put them on, long term. But this thing really came a long ways today. You're looking back at it now, you started with a regular neon, and now you got this. I mean, we're really coming a long way. Like I said, I gotta polish up these mounts, get them shine a little bit, get some degreaser, something to clean those up. I'm gonna get a powder coated valve cover, powder coated intake manifold. I'm getting a cold air intake, AEM intake, that's going on. And man, we're not far. I mean, I'm really getting excited, honestly, because we've come a long way. Still gotta source some rims and tires. I have OEM SRT4 rims, but somebody has rattle canned them. They look like hell. So I gotta find another set of wheels and order some tires. Use the old tire machine here. Mount the tires on the rims. But yeah, guys, we really came a long way. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go ahead real fast and throw the front bumper on just to get a good look at it. I'm gonna come right back to you. All right, guys, there it is. It looks great aside from the gap on the headlights. I read online that the reason why it does this is because the gasket that this company uses isn't big enough to cover the difference. I have to source some regular OEM gaskets to fill in the gap. Really pretty bad on this side. Like I said, it's a rubber ring that goes around the edge that's not produced in quality, but looks a lot better coming together now. There it is. All right, I'm gonna catch you guys next time. Please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share. You know, follow us on Instagram at boost_kings. And we're working on picking up a second project after this one's done. I'm going to try to pick something up tonight or this week. It's something a lot better than a Neon, I'll tell you what. SRT4 rather, but the car we're looking to pick up it's well more preferred over this car, depending on who you ask. But I personally prefer these cars and the other car, which I can't talk about. If you've noticed the backgrounds of my videos, I'm partial to both. So, like I said, I'll see you guys next time.